Hello, and welcome to this presentation on historical data reporting, brought to you by Gapcloud and powered by the Microsoft Power BI engine. This solution is built specifically for users of the Bright Pattern Omnichannel Contact Centre platform, designed to empower contact center supervisors, team leaders, and operations managers with advanced reporting capabilities. Our solution is delivered in two core components. 1. Real-time wallboards. These out-of-the-box dashboards provide live visibility into agent stats, queue performance, and operational metrics, helping supervisors and queue managers understand exactly what's happening in real time. 2. Historical reporting. This component offers in-depth visibility into past performance, allowing for trend analysis, operational reviews, and performance benchmarking across your teams and services. Here are some of the key features of Gapcloud's reporting platform. 1. Web-based interface. 2. Secure access with Microsoft authentication. 3. Fast, scalable data storage. 4. Data enrichment and elastic search. 5. Flexible data access via SQL and APIs. 6. Visual and metric documentation. 7. Personalized support and custom reporting. 8. Expandable beyond call center reporting. Gapcloud Insights was built to solve the three most common reporting needs. Automate your daily, weekly, and monthly reports. No more manual effort. Spot trends over time with clear KPI comparisons. And dive deep into performance analytics to track queues, services, and agent behavior, so you can act before issues grow. Some examples of what we have built over the years. Call Analysis Report. This report breaks down call volumes and outcomes across 8 sections, highlighting key KPIs like inbound, outbound, and queued calls, with trends shown monthly, daily, and hourly. It also separates answered versus unanswered calls for deeper insight. Inbound Call Summary Report. This report highlights key inbound call KPIs, like queue times, abandonment rates, and answered call percentages, paired with clear definitions to measure call handling efficiency. Outbound Call Summary. This report analyzes outbound call performance, tracking answer rates, call durations, and transfers, while revealing engagement trends to refine calling strategies and boost efficiency. Call Center Operational Report. This report highlights key agent KPIs like occupancy, idle time, and service levels, paired with visual trends to help you monitor efficiency and improve performance over time. Email Report. Messaging Summary Report for SMS and chats. Queue Analysis Report. This report focuses on key metrics like average abandon and queue durations, using visuals to reveal call patterns, service trends, and areas for operational improvement. Disposition Report, to know the nitty-gritty of the call handling and tagging. Break Code Report for end-to-end understanding of break analysis across teams and agents. Along with reporting, Gapcloud also helps customers to access our BI semantic model and associated clean data. That allows them to enrich and extend the reach of call reporting data into other parts of the business. Here are just few examples where agent performance data, once merged with other data sources, can be used to find occupancy, agent attrition, cost per call, etc. Here are additional use cases where our customers have leveraged the data to build advanced scoreboards focused on customer satisfaction and first call resolution. Now let's dive into the dashboard and explore its features. This fully web-based platform delivers real-time visualizations of key performance indicators, KPIs. It's secured with access tokens and gives administrators full control over user permissions. To help you get started quickly, we offer a variety of design templates along with comprehensive documentation. Beyond capturing bright pattern KPIs, the platform also enables you to create and manage custom KPIs tailored to your needs. These modern, vibrant dashboards use threshold-based color changes to clearly highlight shifts in performance. In addition to key performance indicators, the dashboard displays daily combined call volumes and disposition statistics, helping you identify trending call reasons. Managing wallboard content is simple through an intuitive admin portal, where you can select which bright pattern services and statistics to monitor and customize how the data is presented. We've delivered solutions to over 150 contact centers globally, and our years of experience have gone into building this platform to be both quick to deploy and easy to use. If you're a bright pattern user or a partner looking to enhance your reporting capabilities, we invite you to explore what Gapcloud Insights can do for you. Visit gapcloud.com.au or reach out to our team to arrange a personalized demo or start your free trial today.